Alright, please read our topic. 1, 2, 3, go.
Linear inequalities or linear equations.
Alright. Okay. So, first, no? Again, please read this one. 1, 2, 3, go.
Linear.
Okay. Anong gusto nyo? Saulog o victory? Victory, alright. So, saan tayo punta? Okay. Ayos yan. Tuloy natin. Okay. So, again, saan pa open? Okay. Again, please read 1, 2, 3, go.
Linear
Okay.
inequalities or linear equations.
Okay. So, ito pabasa to, everybody. Victory. Liner. Basahin ka ko yung nakalagay.
Victory liner.
Kayo?
Victory liner.
Okay, victory liner. Now, what is the spelling of liner here? Okay. Again, kayo? 1, 2, 3, go.
L-I-N-E-R.
Okay, no? So, if you're wondering, no, we have victory liner here. And it spells like L-I-N-E-R. Do you get it? Again, what is this?
Liner.
Okay. So, what is this?
Linear.
Okay, very good. So, that is what we call linear. No? So, again, please read our topic. 1, 2, 3, go.
Linear inequalities or linear equations.
Okay na? So, linear inequalities or linear equations. No? Hindi siya linear victory or linear saulog. No? So, yung parang grace yung biyahing to the moon. Okay?
Sir, di ba po yung basa po sa L-E-A-R, near po, sir? Near.
Yeah, pero depende kasi yan sa pag kinonect mo siya sa ibang syllables. No? Now, yung verb is an action word. No? Iba ba? Iba ba to? Okay. So, again, please read this one.
Linear.
Lin. Again, 1, 2, 3, go.
Linear.
Okay, linear. No? Ginawa niya namang linear. Alright. Now, what is the Tagalog or other translation for line?
Like,
Guhit. Ano ba? Linya. Yun na lang yung nakatandaan nyo, no? Linear means linya. Kaya linear. Okay, yun na lang yung gagawin natin para tandaan, no? Pero iwasan nyo na si liner, ha? Okay. So now, our objective is only to determine the following, whether linear inequalities or linear equations. Now, I will read it first, then you will read it. So, 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 6. Kayo, 1, 2, 3, go.
2x plus 3y is less than or less 6.
Is less than or lastic.
less than or equal.
Alright. So,
Less than or equal.
is less than
Or equal.
or
Equal.
equal to. Okay? So again, 1, 2, 3, go.
2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 6.
Okay. So very good, children. Marunong kayo magbasa. Si 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 6. Okay? Di ba? This topic is discussed in your kinder. Sometimes grade 1. Di ba we are comparing symbols? Oh, like this. Like this. Oh, di ba? What is it? Is 5 less than or equal to 6? Taas. Or is 6 or 5 greater than 6? What is it? Oh, 5 is less than. Yan yun. Is less than 6. No? Or it can be 5 is less than or equal to 6. No? It can be less than or it can be equal. Do you get it? So, that is the meaning of this symbol.
Tapos kapag parehas na sa repeater.
Yes! No? Pag, for example, no, 1, alright. What is the comparison between 1, 1? Good. Diba? Oh. Okay, so tatanggalin ko muna. Tanggalin muna natin to para mamaya malito na naman kayo sa may is equal to eh. Alright. So, for example, I have 7 apples. Alright. 25 apples.
Okay.
No? What symbol should we use?
Greater.
Alright. So, we call it greater. No? Yes. Very good children. No? 7 is greater than 5. Yes. No? Do you get it now? Alright. So, pag kayo nag-grade 1, no? Huwag niyong kakalimutan to kasi magagamit niyo pag nag-grade 8 kayo. Okay, ha? So, tatandaan niyo lang to. No? Oo. So, 10 seconds from now, nasa grade 8 na kayo. Okay. So, okay. No? So, for this one, no? We have now is less than or equal to. Okay? Do you get it? So, everybody, 1, 2, 3, go.
X plus 4y equals 5.
Okay tayo doon. Okay? Equals or sometimes it reads as... So, purahin ko na to, no? Nakap ka na to? Okay. Wait lang lang. Okay. Okay. So, it reads also as is equal to or equals to. Alright. Now, 1, 2, 3, go.
3x minus 2y is less than or equal
Greatest. Alright, listen.
3x.
Listen. 3x minus 2y is greater than or equal to negative 4. 1, 2, 3, go.
3x minus 2y greater than or equal to
3x minus 2y is greater than
Sige, tuloy mo.
is greater than or equal to my negative 4.
Okay, thank you. Is greater than or equal to. Do you get it? Okay. Now, next. 1, 2, 3, go.
4x minus 3y equals
Okay, we can read this equals na lang. Equals negative 10. 1, 2, 3, go.
4x minus 3y equals negative 10.
Okay, basta yung equals yung may S. Equals, no? Next. 1, 2, 3, go.
3x minus y is greater than
Last than.
Be? Ay, be.
Greater pala.
Oh, na-imagine na? Isipin mo lagi, no? Saan ka ba, kunyari, katulad nito. Okay. From left to right ka ba nagbabasa o right to left? Left to right. Alright. So, ito yung symbol na yan. Ito tandaan mo na lang. O kaya, para mas simple. Number 1 lang kasi baka malaki masyado yung number 6 para sa inyo, no? Baka sumakit ulo nyo. Right. So, 2. O, ganyan. Ano basahin yan?
2 is greater than 1.
Equals greater.
2 is greater than 1. So, ang tatandaan mo, from left to right, pag nakaangasang nakaharap, greater. Kasi gusto niya kainin yun nandoon. Nasipin yung baby shark yan. No? So, pag nakaganyan yung shark,
Equal. Greater.
greater. Okay? Ano ba yung tsura ng equal? Okay. So, galing sa left lagi, pag nakahanga siya ganyan, greater. Oh. Pag nakaganyan siya,
Less than.
is less than, hindi is left. Oh, is less than. Di ba pinapagpilihan lang natin kung greater than or less than? Paano naging is left? Okay. Kinder left the group. Okay. So, ano to? Is greater than. Ito. Is greater than or equal to. No, ito. Ito. O, pagbagsak na. No? O, yung ganyan. Okay, very good children, no? So, let's proceed. So, that is greater than. Alright, next. 1, 2, 3, go.
2x plus y is less than 2.
Alright, is less than to 2. So, is
Less than.
less than. Yan lang yung mga pagpipilian natin. Alright. Now, 1, 2, 3, go.
4x plus 5y is less than or equal 7.
Okay, good. So, babay kayo sa pagbabasa no, para mas na i-internalize natin yung mga bagay-bagay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, go.
X minus 6y is greater or equal negative 5.
Is greater, x minus 6y is greater than or equal to negative 5. Next, 1, 2, 3, go.
X plus y equals 9.
Okay, good. Next.
X plus y is greater than 4.
Okay, very good. Okay. So, now, all you need to do is list all the inequalities or equations kung saan siya belong. For example, is 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 6 an inequalities or linear equations. Susulat mo lang. Now, listen. Okay. How now, no? Clue. How can we identify if that is an inequalities or equations? Okay. Now, what do you think is the root word for the word equations? Ha? Okay. So, equal. Agats niya? Okay. No? So, we have this one. Equal, no? Or equal. Agats niya? Equal means? Equal. Okay. Or? The same. Diba? The same. Tama? O, if you have one here, what is the symbol? Equals. 2 equals. Okay. Now, how about inequalities? So we have here, no? In, tapos meron pa rin equal, di ba? Pero in. Meaning, not necessarily equal. Okay? Again, equations, what is the symbol for equations? Equal. No? So, if you saw equal sign, then that is the sign that you can say that this is an equation. Okay? Now, in inequalities, that is not necessarily equal. So, ang i-check mo lang dyan is itong mga symbols. Is that equal or inequalities? Is that an equation or inequalities? All of this is linear. So, just determine whether it is linear inequalities or linear equations. So, on your notebook, I will give you 10 minutes. So, time, 5 minutes, 5 minutes lang to identify. 5 minutes starts now. Alright, now, let's identify if the given is an equality, linear inequalities or linear equations. Alright, for number 1, the first one. Anyone? Yes, Crystalline. Basahin mo muna, lakas mo.
2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 6.
Alright, what is it?
Linear English.
Linear?
Equation.
Ha? Equations? Okay. Okay, sige. Crystalline, is this an equal sign? Crystalline, is this an equal sign? Equal sign ba siya? Etong buo equal sign ba siya? Equal ba to? Ano bang itsura ng equal? Dalawang duet. Ito lang simpleng tanong, no? Ito, dito tayo nakafocus. Is this an equal sign? Crystalline. Okay, sino nagsabing equal sign? Sino nagsabing hindi? Okay. So, ano bang itsura ng equal sign? Pero pag tinanong ko sa'yo kung equal ba siya, ang symbol niya, ganyan. Ganyan ba yan?
Hindi po.
Hindi. So, what is it?
Inequality.
Okay. Linear inequalities. Again, inequalities means not necessarily equal, but it can be equal. Okay? Now, second. Gusto mo bumawi? Crystalline? Second? Second. Baka kaya na. Sige. Alright. Baima. Read the number 2.
X plus 4y equals 5.
What is it?
Linear.
Okay, very good. Write it. Check your own work. Sige lang. Mahalaga dito matuto, ha? Because that is equal sign, that means that is an example of linear equations. Now, number 3. Third one, please read. Alright, Tristan. Takas mo.
3x
100 times.
3x negative 2 ano? Y 2x
Diba? Katulad nito, ano bang malaki?
yung
2. What is greater, di ba ang Tagalog ang...
2 greater
Ay,
greater to
greater than or equal to...
equal to negative 4
Alright, I will read it once again. 3x minus 2y is greater than or equal to negative 4. What is it?
linear inequality
Linear?
linear ini
Linear?
linear
Linear?
linear
Everybody, what is it?
linear
Again, Tristan.
linear inequalities
Inequalities. Okay, thank you Tristan. Write it. Very good. Okay. For the fourth one, Prince Isidro.
4x minus 3y is equals to negative 10.
Okay, is equal. Walang S naman yan ha. Is equal to negative 10. What is it?
Ano po? Linear equation.
Okay, very good. Tagalin mo yung bag mo on the board. Okay. Next. This one. Okay. Who wants to answer this one? Yes, Nicole.
3x minus y greater than negative.
What is it?
Linear inequality.
Okay, very good. So write it on the board. For the next one, Raymond.
2x plus y is less than
Is less than 2? 2. What is it?
linear inequalities.
Okay, linear inequalities. Okay? Sige, after niya Raymond, ikaw naman. Okay? Now, for the sixth one, for the seventh item, what is it? Please read. Anyone? Charlene.
4x plus 5y
Is less than or what is it?
Linear
linear inequality.
Okay, good. So, write it on the board. Your mask, Charlene. For the next one, sa 8. Yes, 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 Abuda.
X minus 6 of y less than.
Oh, less than? Oh, is less than?
Is the greater than.
Nandun yung kain niya is greater than,
Greater than negative y.
okay, or equal to, what is it?
Negative pa. Linear
Inequalities. Very good. Okay, on the board. So, very good, Abuda. So, x minus 6y is greater than or equal to negative 5. Next, for the second to the last. Wait lang, daw makikita. Ay, yung panyo, pakikulog. Yes! Tayaw.
X plus y equals to 9.
Okay, equals 9. What is it?
Linear equation.
Okay, good. Write it on the board. Equal signs mean equations. Next, for the last one. Yes, Geraldine.
X plus y is greater than or equal to 4.
May equal ba siya dito? Again.
X plus y is greater than 4.
Okay, what is it?
Then inequality.
Okay, very good. Linear inequalities. Okay, write it, Geraldine. Okay, anyone? What can you notice about the linear equations? Raise your hand. Anyone? Yes, Raymond.
ano po, hindi mawala yung idea ng xi. Malagi mo yung xi.
Lagi may x sa equations. Yung ba yung basis natin? Thank you, Raymond. Yes, Baima. Again, buuin mo. Ang sa Tagalog, sige. So, ano mapapansin mo? Now, what can you observe about linear equations? Tama, sagot mo. Mali yung sinulat mo. Okay. Ha? Ang linear equations ay...
Ang linear equation ay lagi may
Okay, very good. Again, ano sabi ni Baima? 1, 2, 3, go!
Ang linear equation ay laging may equal.
Okay, may equal sign. Do you get it? Now, what is it? All of linear equations
Equal sign.
have equal signs. Nagets nyo? Okay, because later, you will be having activity. Tandaan nyo na to. If there is an equal sign, automatic, this is an linear equations. Do you get it? Now, if the symbol is not an equal sign, give me the fourth. It can be what? Give me one. Give me 4 symbols na hindi equal. Na inequality siya. Give me one. Yes, Charmaine. Is less than. Okay, good. Another one. Giselle.
greater.
Is greater than. Another one. How about the others? How about the others? Suryaw. Tayo. Nasabi na, is less than, is greater than. Ano pa? Please stand, Suryaw.
Is less than or equal.
Okay, is less than or equal to. The last one. Yes. Tivoli, please stand. Ay,
Tinil, sir.
Tinil. Sila yung magkasama nila. Oh. Is greater than or equal to. Do you get it? If you saw those 4 symbols, that means that is linear inequalities. Do you get it? Okay. So please copy this one, sir. Sir Raven. Check mo. Check mo kung makakita. Please copy this one, ha? A linear inequalities in x and y, no, can be written in the form of apat. Ano yon? AX plus BY is greater than C. AX plus BY, if we have greater than, the next one is less than C. AX plus BY, what? Is greater than or equal to C. AX plus BY is less than or equal to C. Where A and B should not be equal to 0. And that is the definition of linear inequalities. Okay? So are there questions? Again, raise your hand if you don't have questions. So ano yung tanong ng mga hindi nakataas yung kamay? Itaas yung kamay pag walang tanong. Okay, reverse lang yun, no? Sino nakaintindi? Please raise your hand. Can we have a quiz?
Yes po.
Parang ayaw nyo, ah.
Yes po.
Okay, can we have a quiz? 1, 2, 3, go!
Yes po.
Okay, so let's have a quiz. Okay, exchange notebook, right corrected by? Okay. So, 2x plus 5y, nasa notebook mo? Makipagpalitan ka na dyan. Crystalline, palitan nyo na kung sino nyo. 2x plus 5y equals negative 3, everybody. Linear?
Equation.
Okay. 1 point. 2x plus 5y equals negative 3. X minus 2y is greater than or equal to 5.
Linear equality.
Again, 1, 2, 3, go.
Linear equality.
Okay, x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 5. Next, 3x plus y is less than negative 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Again, 1, 2, 3, go.
Linear equality.
Okay, linear inequalities. 3x plus y is less than negative 2. Next, 4x minus 3y equals 11.
Linear
Linear equations. 4x minus 3y equals 11. Next, 6x minus 4y equals negative 16. 7x plus 2y is less than or equal to 20. Okay. 3x minus 5y equals 4. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, go.
Linear equation.
2x minus 6y is greater than negative 6.
Linear inequality.
Okay, good. X plus 8y equals 0.
Linear equation.
Right. Last one. 3x minus y is greater than or equal to 0.
Linear equality.
Okay. Okay, ang natin got 10. Raise your hand. Very good. Okay. So, do you understand? So, ikaw nga ng yes I am kapag
Yes,